Hello and welcome back to yet another big project design tutorial for complete beginners. So we will be using HTML, CSS and a little bit of JavaScript, and this will be completely mobile responsive and it has so many pages. We will be designing each and every page, each and every section. I'm gonna teach you each line of code. I'm gonna explain each line of code. So in this video we will be looking up at the website and we will be setting up the basic file, like we will be creating some variables, some fonts and stuff like that. So first of all, as you guys can see, it is kind of a blog website and it has 4 home pages, and we will be designing one of them, and the rest are, this is a right blog post, about a single writer post, not the post, actually the pages. So about a single author page, contact page, search result page, categories, a single blog, frequently asked questions, 404 page. Alright, so we will be designing all of these web pages. All of them will be responsive, and it is really clean and very minimal design. It has a really complex yet really interesting layout. So we will be using CSS Flexbox, CSS Gridbox and a lot. Yes, so I'm gonna teach you each and everything. I'm gonna provide the code, I'm gonna provide the images and everything. So in the description of this video you will get a link to the project repository on GitHub and a link to this file as well. Let me show you the website. So this is the first home demo, and it has a really cool looking layout, and it's really awesome. But we are gonna select only one of them, so there are 4. Alright, and after that, this is a write on notebook. So this is a write page, and this one is where you can find your perfect blog, so meet the authors section and stuff like that. After this we have a single author, about the author, his description and pictures and stuff like that. This is a contact us page, and this is again blogs page, I think. No, this is a search page, so we're gonna be designing this one as well, and I'm gonna provide all of these icons and everything. Alright, you can grab that from GitHub. And this is the categories page. It has some really cool looking layout. Trust me, this is gonna be fun. So this is a single blog post page, and this one is frequently asked question, and it has this collapse. So we will be writing JavaScript for this as well. And this is 404 page. Alright, and this is the complete guide to this website. So we will be like creating some variables for these colors and stuff like that. So these are the UI of this website. Alright, so first thing first, we will be using this Noto Sans font. It's a free Google font. So let me open up the code editor, and you guys can see I haven't even created a file. First of all, I'll create index.html. I will write some basic HTML code. Alright, and this will be notebook, and let me make it a bit more elegant and professional. So home, this will be like m dash, this big hyphen, so it can have some notebook, blogging, website, responsive design. So we will be making it completely responsive. Let me create a CSS file. So inside CSS file we'll have styles.css, and now I'm gonna link that CSS file right here. So link CSS, and inside CSS we have styles.css. Alright, I'm gonna open this up in live server, and just let me close this. Just let me write something. Body background color should be red. So make sure our CSS file is connected. Yeah, it is connected. So I'm gonna remove this. First of all, I'm gonna grab the link to this font. So this is Noto Sans, and I'm gonna choose. So we want this 200. Okay, this is, I don't know how I can select all of them. Wait. Oh, I think this is not get font, get embed code, and here you go. So click on import and import this one. Paste this right at the top of our website, and I will create some color variables. So -- color primary. So the primary color is basically this one. I'm gonna open this page right here. This is our primary color, so I'm gonna copy this and paste this over here. This is our primary color. Control C and V, so I can copy this. So color primary -1 -2, and the 2 is basically kind of light. So if I can show you guys, this one. So if I can click, see all 7 colors, and I think it's this one. Yep, copy this. This is color 2, paste. Let me see if we have any other version. Yeah, this one. So I think it's the same. F2, F8, and F7. Okay, we have another one. Yep. So copy this, and this will be 3. So F3, and paste this in here, and -color -white, which will be FFF 6 times, and -color -dark, which will be, we can copy it from here. So basically this the text color. This is 2, 2, 2, 6 times. All right, and let's see if we have, yes, this is 6 times 6. So this will be dark 1. This is dark 2, and this 6 times 6. Save. And let me see if we have, no, I don't think so, if we have another color. So for now I'm gonna go and select everything. Padding should be 0 pixel, margin should be 0 pixel, box sizing border box. HTML, I'm gonna reset the font size, so 10 pixels because we will be using rem. So body and font size should be 1.6 rem, which is 16 pixels, and the font family will be this one. So font family, font optical sizing, font weight, font styling, and stuff like that. But for now I just need this one. If I can save and write something over here, so h1, hello, welcome to notebook, save. If I can have a look, yes, you guys can see, and now we have almost written everything. But one thing, we will be using container a lot, so container max width should be 100, and let's go with 11.4 rem, which is 1140 pixels, and margin should be 0 auto, so it will be in the center, and padding should be 0 rem from top and bottom, and 1.5 rem from left and right. Let's go with anchor tag, so text decoration should be none. Let's go with UL, so list styling should be none as well. So I think that's all we need. Let me create a repository for that. If I can go here and write a message, starter file, commit, publish. So you will get this from my GitHub repository. The link will be in the description, and in the next video we will be designing a whole home page. So that's all for this one, and see you in the next one. Hello and welcome back to our notebook blog website project. So in the previous video I have given you an overview of the whole website, and I have written some basic HTML and CSS, and in this video we will be starting designing our home page, and then in the next video we will be designing another page. So this video might be long because we are gonna build some reusable stuff and some reusable layout for the first time, but don't worry, sit back and follow along, because I'm gonna explain each and everything and you are gonna learn a lot. Yes, and I have got a comment about the images, so I have few images here, and after this video I'm gonna push this code and these images to GitHub, so make sure to grab it from there. The link to the GitHub is in the description. So yeah, but before we start, I just want to give you a little bit I can give you some guide, and I can give you some tips how you can create bigger projects. So if you can see, in this project we have a lot of cards components. So if you can see, this has a white background, and this card doesn't have that background. This has some description, and this one does not. All right, And if you can come over here, this card has a different layout and this has a different. So how you can design these cards? Well, if you can see, this is featured posts. So these are popular posts and recent post authors. So we are gonna be naming these cards like feature card, popular card, recent card, and stuff like that, because each of these cards have different styling. It has some different properties, so we are going to be naming these this way. All right, and we will be using some of these icons online, and because I'm not going to export these icons, of course, because it's going to take too long and this is complicated and not a good practice. All right, so let me open up the code editor, and yeah, let's start writing HTML. So first of all, what we have this mini nav bar, and we have nav elements, logo in the middle, and these items on the right. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I will create a nav with the class name of nav, and inside there we need .container .nav underscore container, and we have a UL with the class name of nav underscore list, and inside that we need li with the class name of nav underscore item. And how many we need? We need 4 of them, so static 4, and inside each we need an anchor tag with the class name of nav underscore link. And if I hit enter, yes, you guys can see, so these are empty links for now. So home, I can give it a name of home, since we have only one home page. Home, about, categories, and contact, or we have contact here. So let's give it something else. What should I give it a name? Just a dummy link. Okay, so home. Second one is, oh no, second one is about. Third one is if I can see, categories, and the fourth one will be posts. So posts, yeah, just like this. And right after this nav link we have an anchor tag with the class name of logo underscore box, and inside there we need a paragraph with the class name of logo. And let's just go ahead, but inside the logo we have note, bigger font size with the background and white color, and we have this. All right, so we will have a span inside there, not like this, but we will have a span, and I will write note and book here, and I will give another span, not a snap but span. So the first one will be, I'll give it this one a class. So class name of logo underscore dot, cause this dot have different color. Okay, and after this we need another nav, but let's give it a different name. So we have a search. We don't need to give it a different name. So I will copy this, paste this one over here, And what we have only 3 of them. So the third one is contact, and the first two are icons. So I'm gonna grab icons. Okay, so all these images are from all these images are from pixels.com, so you can download free images from there. Let me open up and I will grab some hero icons. These are free icons, and they have some really cool icons. So what we need a search and pencil. Search, if I can come over here, this is search icon. So I'm gonna copy SVG and paste this in here. Save. Okay, paste this one in the first one, and this SVG, we need a pencil or edit or something like that. Let me, yeah, just like this, copy SVG and paste this over here. Save, and that's all we need for our nav bar. I will open this up in the live server. So it will open Firefox, and yes, you guys can see we have these icons, but these icons are really big. So we're gonna write styling for that. It has class of w-6. So I'll add it up here. .w6, we'll give it a width of 1.2 rem. Save, and just like that. Now what I need to do is we need to style our nav bar. So I'll add a comment over here, nav, and .nav will have width of 100%, height of 7 rem, and background color of war. I think it has, if this one. Save and have a look. Yeah, but 7 rem is a lot, so I'll decrease it to 6. Yeah, it's here. I'll copy this link and open this up in the Google Chrome. So just like that. And .nav underscore container, it will have width of 100%, height of 100%, display of flex, justify content, space between, and align items in the center. And yeah, you guys can see. Now one thing is, for this UL nav list, I'll give it a display of flex as well. Sorry, so display flex, and you guys will see in a second. Yep, we have everything in line. So let's go ahead and copy this class. But before, we need .nav underscore item. I'll give it some margin. So 0 rem from the top and bottom, and 0.4 rem from the left and right, so it can have some space in between. And I'll decrease the font size to 1.4 rem, and color should be var. So this is how we can use our variables. This one, And yeah, you guys can see everything is looking good. Let me give it some padding. So 0.5 rem from each side. Let's see how it's gonna look. Looks kind of better. Yep. Now let's go ahead and style our logo. So where is our logo? It has 3 parts. So first of all, the logo itself, I'll increase the size to 2.2 rem. Let's see what we have. Yeah, just like this, and give it background color, and not to this one. Since only this has, so span dot logo underscore bg, paste this one here. So dot logo bg will have color of var white, background color of var primary 1, and padding of 0.3 rem. Let's try this. Yep, just like this. And this second span, give it class name of, now this is the closing tag, so logo underscore 2. Let's give it this name because it's the second part. So dot logo underscore 2. I'll decrease the font size to 1.8 rem, just like this. And the third part is this logo dot. So the color will be primary 1. Save. Now it might yeah, and now it can be seen. And let's to this logo T, let's give it some margin left, 0.5 rem. And let's see if we can get some space, just like this, but it's too much. So let's decrease it to 3 rem. And yeah, this is looking good. So we are done with the nav section. Let's go ahead, and now we have this kind of layout. All right, so we can call it a header or something. So this header will have 2 sections. Yep. Let's just go ahead and write HTML. So right after this nav, we will have header with the class name of header, and inside that we need container dot header underscore container. All right, and we have 2 child elements. So the first one is main header, and the second one is kind of a sidebar. All right, so dot header underscore content, and the second one will be dot header underscore sidebar. So let's go ahead and create one of this card in here, or let me just give this kind of a layout. So I'll copy this header, and add a comment of header dot header and dot header container. So this header will have width of 100% and padding of let's see 8 rem from top and bottom and 0 rem from left and right, so it can have some space, and give this a background color of var primary 3, so it can be seen here once we add something. So this is header content, and this is header sidebar. Save, and yes, you guys can see the background color as well. So to this container we will give it a width of 100%, display of grid and grid template columns. So the first one will have what we can do is 2 FR and 1 FR. Let's try this and see if this, yep. So what it basically does, that the it divides the whole width by 3 and give this header content 2 and this 1. All right, so this sidebar will have border right of 1 pixel solid and var, let's try this one, not the right but left, border left, yes, just like this. And yeah, that's all we need. Let's see if we can have some padding. We have some padding from right, and here from left. But let's just go ahead and style design one card. So these are featured card, so I'll give it a name of dot feature underscore card, and I will copy this name because we will be using this a lot. So featured card, and what we have is feature card image and feature card body. So img an image with the class name of feature card underscore img, and this image come from images, and let's give go with this one. And right after this we need dot featured card underscore body, and what we have inside that body, we have category, title, and these details and description. So dot, the first one is featured card, or one thing we can do is we have this category same in all cards, so I will give it card underscore category. So let's go with a lifestyle, and we have dot featured card underscore title, and it will be lorem 8, which is a dummy text. I'll open this up, and after the title we have card details. So what we have inside there is we have author, date, and time to read. So I will create a div element with the class name of details, and let's see if we have these details similarly in all cards. So if I can, yes, almost. So featured card details, I will give it card details, and what we have dot card underscore author, and we have an image with the class name of card. Okay, this is author, card underscore author underscore image, and I don't have any image for user, so I'm gonna again I can show you. So I can go to pixels.com. I will search here user profile, search, and you can download an image. So I'm gonna go click on this, and I will be downloading this small size, and this is downloaded. I'll give it name of user and grab it inside the images folder. So now we have that. Alright, and this is images and user. Alright, next to it we have paragraph with the class name of author card author name. So it will be Jessica for now. Jessica author something, and right next to it card author, I will give it a card underscore date, and in here we have a calendar. So I will search an icon, calendar days, copy SVG, paste this in here, and we have a span with the class name of card underscore date underscore post, and I will give it 23 of December 2023, and yeah, let's go with this. This we don't need to write that timing and stuff. So yeah, here we have it, but one mistake is we need this title is H2. Yes, just like this, and we have it. One last thing for this card is right after this card details, we need a paragraph with the class name of card underscore description and a lorem of 15 words, dummy text. And now we have one card, one complete card. Yep, just like this. And now if what I can do is I will style this card now. So this is feature card. I'll copy this dot feature card, give it a width of, let's go with 100% for now, background color of war white, and inside that we need some padding. So let's go with 0.6 rem from each side. Save, and let's see if we can have, yes, we have it, but we need more. So let's go with 1.2. Let's go with 2. Okay, and this has 2 child elements, this image and body, so I'll give it a display of flex and align items in the center. Save and let it reload. So now we have this, but we need to do some styling. So for this feature card image, I'll give it width of and let's go with max width of 20 rem and height of 22 rem. Let's try this and see how it's gonna look. And to this author image, where it goes, so this author image, I'll first write for this, so width will be 3 rem, height will be 3 rem, border radius will be 10 rem, so completely round, and object fit to cover. Just like this, but we need to fix this image now. So to this image, let's see the styling. So something like this. Height will be 25 and width will be 28. Let's see how it looks. Still looking not good, so I'll decrease the height to 22. Now it looks good. And to this image, border radius of 0.5 rem. Yep, it looks good now. To this card body, where is card body? Featured card body. It will have some padding, 0 rem from top and bottom, and 0.5 rem from left and right. Not like this, but it will have margin left of 1.5 rem. Now it will fix just like this. We need to style this category. It will be font size of 1.2 rem, background color of war 3, and the text color of war primary 1. But it's taking the full width, so width will be 4 rem. Let's try this. Let's go with 6 and padding of 0.2 rem. .5 and padding should be 0.3. 0.3 rem. And now this is our card category. And now let's decrease font size of this title. So font size of 2.2 rem. 2.4 rem. Let's go with 2.2. Okay, yeah, looks good. Now to this card details. Give it a display of flex, not like this. So display flex and margin. So 2 rem from top and bottom and 0 rem from left and right. So this thing will be side by side. And now this author will be display of flex and align items center. So let's see. Yep, they are no side by side, but let's decrease it to 1.2. And the user author image will be 2 rem and 2 rem as well. 2.5 rem, and it looks good. Let's go with author name. Give it some margin left of 1 rem. Yeah, it looks good. To this card date, I'll give it a margin left of 2 rem. And they are looking good already. But let's go ahead and decrease this font size to font size of 1.3 rem. And this card date post, this will be font size of 1.3 rem as well, and it will have margin left of so what's the margin left of 1 rem. And now we have it, and it is looking good. But let's decrease the margin of top and bottom. And yeah, it looks good. But one thing is, if you guys can come over here and see, we have some spacing right here. So we just need we need that. So what I need to do is, to this for featured card, I will give it width of, let's go with 90. Maybe it's not good, but it's too much. So let's go with a 95. And let's see. Yeah, it looks good. And we need some border radius of 0.5 rem. And now our featured card is designed. It's complete. But one thing we have missed is we need this featured this month. Okay, so we need a title about that. But first of all, let me duplicate this card, since we will be using two cards, and to this card let's give some margin top of 2 rem as well. So this is header content and feature card. I'm gonna collapse this, copy and paste it after, and we just need to change only one image, which is this. So 1 2, and now we will have two cards where our image goes. So images 2.jpg, and here we have it. So we have two cards, and yeah, this section is almost complete, but we need this header. And if you can see, we have almost the same, like this is featured this month and this is popular posted. So what we can do is write about this header content. I will dot header underscore title, and inside, oh, this will be a class, and dot header underscore title underscore tag. So this will have that background color. This is featured. This will not be div, this will be paragraph, and paragraph as well, and paragraph featured this month. So if I can style this header title, what we need, okay, this will be okay, this featured will be inside a span, and featured this month, let's make it easier. So this month, so if I can copy this header, this will be common, so I will copy it above, paste it above the nav bar. So first of all, it will have font size of 2.4 rem, and okay, let's save and have a look. So featured this month, and since we have a span in there, so oh, where it goes, okay, it's here, and inside there we have a span. So that span will have background color of var primary 1, and text color will be var white, and it will have some padding of 0.3 rem, and margin right to 0.3 rem as well. If I can save, and yeah, featured this month, but the font size is too big, so I will give it, let's try 2. So featured this month, and it looking good, but let's decrease it to 1, and now we have it. So it is looking good. All right, so we have these two cards, and now it's time to style these cards. So what I will do is, first of all, now you will see the reusability. I will copy this header title and paste it in here, this in this sidebar, and what we have is popular posted. So inside this span, popular and post it. If I can save, then you will see it right here. But we have inside this sidebar, where is our sidebar? If I can come over here, featured card, and this is header sidebar. So I'll cut this and paste it over here. Oh no, not like this, but just paste it. Okay, so this sidebar will have some padding from left and right. So from the top and bottom 0 rem, and from the left and right 2 rem. And here you guys can see, but I need to change this border color as well. So let's go with solid and hashtag. Let's go with this one. Let's make it a bit light, and it's looking good. And here you guys can see these cards. Now we don't need to change much stuff in this card. So what I need to do is I will copy the same card, and just checking, I will paste it right after this title. So let's see what we have got. Oh, something really big. So what I need to do, featured card. Okay, so we can make it something like here, featured card. I will give it another class, featured card, and featured card underscore bg, and featured card underscore bg as well. And I will copy this this class, and featured card, where is featured card? It's right here. So let's say if we need this white color background, I can cut this and paste this one over here. So now we will have that background only for this card, but not for this one. So now, but this featured card image, this is getting bigger for this one. And okay, what I can do is to this image I will give it a width in percent. So where is our featured card image? The maximum width should be let's go with 60%, and let's see if it works. I think it will work. It will work. And let's see, say I don't need height. So it is let's decrease the width to 50, and let's see how it behaves. Now it looks good, and it looks good here too. All right, so what I need to do is I will change this title name, or maybe featured card title, and since these are not featured, so this is popular card title. All right, copy this save this file, come over here, dot popular card title, I will give it font size of 1.7 rem maybe, and if I can refresh, it's still looking big. So let's go with 1.2. It's gonna be too small. And see, this is too small. See, it's looking good. Okay, let me remove the unnecessary stuff, so we don't need this paragraph. I'll remove this. Okay. We will need this too. But why we have, oh, okay, I've got something here. So to this feature card, we don't need this padding. So I'll cut this as well, and I need padding only here. Now we will have a little bit of spacing just like this. I think I need to manage these things. These card details. So card image, if I can scroll a little bit, we have this image width. I'll decrease it to 2. Radius is good. Featured card body, I'll decrease it to 1 rem. This one. Now it looks good. Card category, which is that tag. Card title, 2.2 rem. Card author, card author name, which has font size of 1.1, 1 rem, and 1. And this post margin left, we have some margin left. Text will be 1.1, and it will have margin left of 0.5, and this will have 0.5 as well. What? Font size should be 1.1. Just like this. And this card date, and let's decrease it to 0.3 as well, so we can have some space here. And one thing I can do is this will have a different date. So let's go with 1 day, 1 day. Just like this. Now we have it. So we have the same card in here, and what I need to do is I need to duplicate and change the images. So featured card, and I need it 3 times, so 1, 2, and 3. And now I need to change the images. So let's go with 4 in this one and 3 in here. Alright, save, and yeah, we have it. And let's copy and paste it one more time. It will be hard, but let's go and paste it one more. Change the image. This time it will be 5. And yeah, we have these 5 cards. And here you guys can see it looks amazing. All right. One last thing I would like to do is to decrease style of this category as well. So I will search and let's go with 1 rem. Yes, just like this, and decrease the width to 6 rem. And it is looking good. Okay, so we have successfully designed the nav section and the header section with these amazing titles as well. And let's see what we have in this website. You guys can see. So we have some recent posts and authors and stuff like that. We have a nice sidebar and pagination. So we will be doing that. We just need, it's going to be easy because we have these titles already. We just need to design this card once, and then we can just copy and paste. And of course we don't need to design, we just need to change the layout. Because in these cards we have image on the left and text on the right, but in these cards we have image on top and text at the bottom. So this is going to be easy. Okay, so I had a quick break, and make sure to take breaks. All right, and we're back. So as I said, these cards will be easy to design. So what I can do is I will just copy and paste. So let me think. So that upper part is like header, and what's this part we should call is, let's call it a main or something like that. So what I'll do is I will come over here, and right after this head I will create another tag with main tag with the class name of main, and inside there we need a container dot main underscore container. Hit enter, and again I will just copy and paste that grid styling. So where is that? It's up here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's this one. So I'll copy this, come over here, and I will add a comment of main dot main underscore container. Paste this over here. Okay, and save this file as well. So we will have dot main underscore content, see content, and dot main underscore sidebar. And this main is just for the layout. We are not going to be using this main keyword or main word. This is just for the layout, and since we will be using this layout in our other pages as well, so main content and this should be sidebar. If I save, come over here, and let's see if we have that. Yes, we have it here, but main container, copy this, and okay, if I haven't saved this file, save, and now you will see these side by side. Yeah, just like this. And to this main, I will just dot main, I will give it some padding of 5, let's go with 6 rem from top and bottom and 0 rem from left and right, so we can have some space from the top and bottom, just like this. And again, I will copy that title, so this header title, copy from there, and we will need it here and here as well. So this is recently posted and top authors. So recently posted and top authors, and you will see it here. This is so easy. I love this. And let me just increase padding by add trim. And now what we need is, it's really simple. So what I can do is right after this title, I will create dot card, and inside there we need an image with the class name of card underscore image, and this image comes from images. For this one, let's go with 6, and right after this we need that card body. So where it comes from, it featured card body, so copy this, paste this after this image, and if I can save and have a look, so it's almost the same. Oh, it's not this one, we have some description as well. Let me see. Here you guys can see we have some description. So not this card, but the card which has that description. So I mean this card. Copy and paste it. Oh, this is, I have copied the full card. Let's see if this card has, yeah, it has that description. So I'll copy this and paste this right after this image, save, and now let's have a look. Yep, just like this. And now what we need is, we need to copy and paste this card few times. Not a few times, but we have so many cards. So this card, copy, and let's paste it 6 times. And I don't really know how many times I have just pasted, but we need to give this okay, we did something. I'll collapse all of them, so make sure we know how many cards we have. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 cards. And let's paste it once more and collapse this one as well, and wrap these cards in a container. So I will cut all of them and give it a name of main underscore cards. Okay, just a plural cards. Paste, and now I will style this. So dot main underscore cards, give this a width of 100%, and we will be using this, but this time we will make it auto responsive. Okay, so repeat auto fit, minimum and maximum width should be let's go with 30 rem and 1 fractional unit, and this time grid gap should be let's go with 3 rem as well. Save, and let's have a look what we have got. Yes, we have it, but this card image will have specific styling. So card image, and give it a width of 100%, just like this. But we need some okay, so these cards will have width of 95%, so we can have some space, and this card image will have width of this and height of let's go with something like 40 rem. Let's try this out. Oh, this is too much. This is way too much. So let's go with 25. Let's go with 23, and object fit will be cover. Save, and now this is gonna look awesome. Let me just change these images. So where are they? This is image 6. Again, I will use image 1. Image 2 should be 3. 4, 5. Let's see if they're looking good. Awesome. So one of them will be 7. Alright, it looks good, and we have did nothing, but one thing we need to do is to this card image. It will have margin bottom of 3 rem, maybe just like this, and it's looking awesome. It's looking good. Now what we need is just to style this, but again we need some spacing over here. So for the sidebar I will have main sidebar, we'll have some padding, so 0 rem, and let's go with 5 rem. I don't know how much we have for the top one. Let me search. sidebar. So padding we have 2 rem. Alright, so it will be 2 rem. And let's see if we have that. No, we don't have that border. Alright, and now let's go to design these authors. So it's gonna be easy. Dot authors, and inside there we need dot author, and we need an image with the class name of author underscore image. Image come from images user, and author body. So we have author name, designation, and social links. So dot author underscore body. We need an h4 with author underscore name. Let's go with John Doe this time. Paragraph with the class name of author underscore designation. Graphic designer and web developer, and dot author underscore social, and we just need 3 icons. It depends how many you can provide, but I think we don't have those social icons here. No, it doesn't comes with social icons. So what I can do is maybe I will export these. So export PNG, export this, and export this one as well. Okay. Oh, okay, I have just did something wrong. So this is vector, this is group, rectangle, rectangle. So this is one icon, and this is another one. I'll just rename these, so don't worry. And this is another one. Now I have, oh shit. See, we have exported only says these are getting, oh my god. So what I can do is I will go to Facebook icon and flat icons. You can go over here, search for Facebook, and download something like this, PNG, free download. This is just for the video purpose, and what we have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So this style PNG free. Instagram, and download maybe this one or this one. So feel free to download images, icons from somewhere, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I will grab these inside images. I'm gonna upload these to GitHub anyway. So social image dot author underscore social underscore icon, and we need 3 of them. So the first one is images Facebook, second one is images Instagram, and the third one is images Twitter. Save, and now we will style these. Alright, and that's all we have for an author. So what I can do is I'll copy this author, I'll give it a width of 100% and display of flex, align items in the center, save, and make sure we have things working. But I don't know. Oh, okay, there is image. So copy, author image will have width of 4 rem, height of 4 rem, border radius of 10 rem, so completely round, and object fit to cover. Save. Now we will have fix it. Yeah, but it's too small. Let's go with 7. 7. To this social icon, give it a width of 2 rem. Let's just test this. So make sure it is working. Yep, it's working. So first of all, each author will have margin top of 2 rem. Let's go with 3 this time. And this author body will have some margin left of 2 rem. Looking good. This designation, font size of 1.2 rem. And margin of 1 rem and 0 rem. So from the top and bottom, just like this. And this icon will be 1.6 rem, and each icon will have some margin 0 rem from top and bottom. Okay, let's go with margin left. one rem. Or margin right. So make sure the first icon do not have space. See, just like this. And yeah, we have an author. So what I'll do is I will copy and paste it 2 or 3 more times, so we can have 4 authors, just like this. And yes, we have it. So after this we have this add and categories. So we are not going to be designing this ad, of course, but this categories and today's updates and Instagram posts and search with tags and this footer. Alright, so let's go with these categories. So right after this authors, we can have dot categories, or let's name it sidebar underscore categories, and we need that title as well. So this title, and this time let's go with something else. So categories, so the second one will have that background, and the top, the first one will not. So if I can save, you guys can see, but it doesn't looks good. So this sidebar categories will have margin top of 3 rem. Let's try 3. Make it 5. We need more, just like this. Yeah, and let's design one category and we will copy and paste it. So right after this dot categories, and inside that we need a category, and inside that we need dot category underscore name. Now, but this will not be a div, it will be h5. So let's go with lifestyle, and right after this we need h5 dot category underscore number. Let's go with 09. So this categories, it will have margin top of 2 rem. Each category will have dot border bottom 1 pixels dashed, okay, I don't know, 1 pixel dotted, and var color 2. Let's try this. I don't know if it's gonna work or something. Yep, it's working. So we don't need to do much, but this category will have display of links, justify content, space between, align items, center, and let's see. Yep, and we need some padding from top and bottom, so 1 rem and 0 rem from left and right, and now we have it. Yep, just like this. And category, copy and paste it some more time, and here we have so much of categories. Alright, what else we have after this is today's updates, so total visitors and stuff like that. Let me yeah, today's update. So we will give it a name of update. So right after categories, dot sidebar underscore updates. First of all, we need the title. And you guys can see the reusability, today's updates, and I just will give it some margin top of 5 rem, and there we have it. Now we have 4 boxes with a number and some text. So let's go ahead and design these. So dot updates and dot, let's go with update, and inside there we need dot it will be h2 dot update underscore number. So let's go with 14, and paragraph with the class name of update underscore text posts. So okay, it will be a div with the class name of update. Now copy and paste it 3 more times, and again it will be an h2 but not the class. Now copy, paste it 3 more times. So it's gonna be easy. I will write updates, give it a width of 100%, and I will copy and paste this styling. It's gonna be grid. So let's save this for now and see. Since this is not working, maybe, so updates, maybe, okay, repeat, and we don't need this stuff, but repeat we will do 50%. Okay, so each of them will have 50% of width, but now the grid gap is not working. Maybe updates, copy, paste, updates. It has 4 elements, and let's go with 48. I don't know why it's not working. Updates, update. Maybe we can go with this one. This should be 30 rem, not 30 rem, but 20. Still not working. 10. It's interesting. Now it's working. So each update, copy. Each update will have background color of war 2. Okay, perfect. But these updates will have margin top of 4 rem. And the grid gap is looking much, but let's fix it for now. So each update will have padding of 4 rem. Let's try 4. Looking too much. So what we can do, we can make it 3 rem and text align in the center. And let's decrease the grid gap to 1.5. Now it's looking nicer, but we need to change color of this to primary 1, and to this update we need border radius of 0.6 rem. And yep, but the grid gap is still too much. What I have just changed, padding. Oh no, padding. Okay, padding is good. 1.5 rem. Interesting. Now we need to increase it to 15. Yep, and it looks good now. So we have today's updates, and how also it's looking awesome. Just one thing is this Instagram post and search tags. We have it too. So these 2 things remaining. Let me take a break and I'll be back. Okay, after another break, so we have these Instagram posts left and search with tags, these 2 left, and it's gonna be easy. So for that, what I can do is I will create a sidebar Instagram. So dot sidebar underscore Instagram, dot posts, and inside there post, and how many we need, 9 of them, and we don't need any content in there. We have an Instagram icon, by the way, but let's just go with the empty ones. So I'm gonna go and grab a title first, paste, and Instagram posts. So this one will be posts and Instagram. So Instagram posts, I'll copy this, paste, margin top of 5 rem. So make sure we have some space like this. I think we have 5 rem as well. These posts, first of all, margin top of how much we need. So update, let me see, we have it, yes. So updates, margin top of 4, so margin top 4 rem. Again I will copy this, remove this with the margin top, and oh my god, I'll just go back like this. Okay, I'll copy this title again, paste it, like this, and each post will have width of how much we need. Let's go with 25 rem, height of 25 rem as well, and a background color of war dark 2. This is too much, so let's go with 5 rem and 5 rem just to try it out. And yep, so minimum and maximum should be 24. Hmm, 20, I'm not sure. 15 was good. Width will be 100%. Yes, but we need 3 in a row. So go here, let's go with 10. Yep, just like this. Grid gap should be 0.5 rem. Yep. And height will be 15 rem as well. This is too much. Let's go with 10. And here's looking good. But let's go change the color. Okay, primary 2. Yep. And each one of them will have border radius of 0.5 rem. Yeah, it looks good. And after this we have categories. So after this, dot side bar underscore categories, and we need a title. And the text will be search with tags. So search with tags and dot tags dot tag, and we need, like, let's say 6 of them. So lifestyle, second traveling, camping, and outdoor activities, something like that. Fashion, health, art. So fashion, health. So we don't need much here, but for this sidebar categories, margin top of 5 rem. This is tags, margin top of 4 rem. And we need display flex, and each tag will have color for primary 1, padding of 0.6 rem, 1.2 rem, and border should be 1 pixel solid, and var primary 1, border radius of 0.2 rem. Let's see. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, just because of this. And tags will be overflow scroll or something. No. Display flex. Visible, inherit, unset, auto. What we need? Okay, we need something not like this. Let's go and try it without display flex. And maybe we can do something like float left. So margin top, width. We don't need width for this, but let's go with 30% so we can see. Float left. Maybe we can do something like display grid template columns, repeat one fractional unit. Not like this. Let's go with 30%. Oh, this is getting complicated, but let me grab it from here. Paste. Let's see. Not here, but here. Now, and the font size will be 1.2 rem. But we don't want this. Let's go with repeat and one fractional unit or something. This is gonna take all, and let's go with 30%, one fractional unit. I don't know what should I do with this. Okay, it looks good now. But inside each tag, we need text align center. Yeah, it looks good now. Let's add some more categories. So let's grab it: art, food, design, business, So art, food, design, business, and now we have more. Alright, so we are done with the home page, but we need a footer. So basically we are not implementing this whole footer, but just this copyright. Alright, so what I can do is right after this main I will have footer dot footer, and inside there we need a container dot footer underscore container, and inside we need a p with the class name of footer underscore text, and I will grab this footer text from here, which is this one, and shout out to Gutenberg themes. So paste, and we are good to go. So dot footer, first of all I need some margin top of 8 rem, background color of our primary 2, not footer container, width 100%. Oh, this one will have width 100%, height of 8 rem, %, footer text, center, and let's see if we need anything. Okay, so something like display flex, align items, center. And justify content, center, but since this is too much, so let's go with 5. And let's change the font size. So font size of 1.3 rem. And now we are done with the home page, but I'm gonna show you how you can grab this code from GitHub. So let me push it, all the changes, home page complete. Just watch this message, commit, sync changes, and GitHub. Once you come over here on my profile, there is notebook, and from here if you click on commits, then we have 2 commits. So this is the starter file, and from here you will see home page complete, and now you need to download this code. Alright, so these are all the changes I have made. So from here, white space, browse files, this is all the code. Alright, you guys can see home page completed. so you can grab this code from here. That's all for the home page, and see you in the next page. So this video was long, and other videos will be short. So thank you so much. See you in the next page. Hello and welcome back. So we had completely designed this home page for our blog website, and now it's time to go for a second page. So this is basically write a blog post or write a notebook page. And as you guys can see in the header section, there is a lot going on, which basically means that you should write a blog post and do this and that, but we are gonna make it simple and send it to the email. And in the next section is the earning model, how you can earn by writing on Medium or on your website. So it's by ad revenue or by affiliate program, right? So these two sections, and yep, let's go for that. So this is another project, sorry for that. Let me open our project. So it's inside web design and notebook. Open this up, and yeah, here is our project. Now what we need to do is I will open this with the live server, and first of all I will give a link or update a link. So okay, we will be using Google Chrome, so we don't need that. So once you click on this icon, you should be redirected to this page. So I'm gonna go and update a link here, which is nav link, this first one I think. So UL, the first one is this search, and the second one, okay. So the second one, and link should be ./write_blog.html, and I will copy this, save this, and now we will save as this file as a new file. So Ctrl+Shift+S and paste, write_blog_post, and now we have this page and this page. So first of all, I'll wrap everything and let's see what's happening. So we will leave this footer and we'll remove some stuff from here. So let's see what we have. Header content, header container, I will remove these. Remove this sidebar, and now let's see what we have left. So if I click on here, still the same page. Let me refresh and write blog.html, and yeah, here we have that website footer. Okay, yeah, we will have it, and I'll write .write_blog, and inside there we need a paragraph with the class name of write_blog_paragraph, and we will just write a short paragraph like write your blog post including title, images, description, etc. And yeah, what I'll do is we will do a break here and send it to we will go for a bold. So send your blog@gmail.com. Save, and now let's have a look. So yeah, we have it here, and we need to center it. We will do that in a minute, but right after this paragraph we need a button. So anchor tag with the class name of write underscore blog underscore btn, and now link for now. What's the button text? Let me copy from here, go to your mail. So go to your mail, this will be the button. Yep, we have it, but let me wrap this inside a button. So write underscore blog underscore b button, save, and let's refresh. So now we have that button. So what we need to do is write blog and go to the bottom and write blog page. That's a comment. Paste it here, give it a width of 100% and text align to the center. Save, and let's hope. Okay, why is okay, blog header container. Okay, header container is having a different width, so I'll remove that, and let's see. Yep, we have it in the middle now. So to this right blog button, first of all we need margin top of 3 rem. Border, we don't need that. Outline, we don't need that. Let's see what's happening. If I can refresh, yep, you guys can see. Also we don't need a background color, so background color should be none or transparent. And now let's okay, we need some padding too. Padding of 1 rem, and let's go for 2.2 rem. We will fix the borders in a minute, but let's see. Yep, and with this btn I'll copy and paste this as well. Give this the same padding. So it can be clickable, yeah, from here. Now to the border we need 1 pixels solid and var primary 1, and we need border radius of 1. Let's go with 3 pixels this time. Yep, we have it, but that's too much, so let's go for 1.7, not 2.7 but 1.7, and 1.7 as well. Let's increase this by 1.3 and 1.3 as well. So to this button I'll change the color to var primary 1 as well, and yep, it's looking good. Now we have another section after this, which is these 2 sections. How you can earn by writing a blog post. So I'll say dot section, not section, but it will be an actual section with the class name of earn, and in there we need dot container dot earn underscore container, and in there we need dot earn dot section underscore header, and inside there we need h3 with the class name of head section underscore header underscore title. But I think we need something else. We already have that written, where we have a background for half of the, which is this header title, and which is this one. So I'm gonna copy this, and instead of this I'll paste it in here and say how you can earn by writing on notebook. So how you can earn by writing on notebook. Save, and let's have a look. Yep, we have it here. So right after this section title, header title, we need dot earn underscore methods, and inside there we need dot earn underscore method singular, and we need 2 of them, and inside each we have a title and a description. So inside each we need an h3 with the class name of earn underscore method underscore title, and the first one is by add revenue, and second one is by affiliate links, and after both we have a paragraph with the class name of earn underscore method underscore p, and let's go with lorem 23. Save, and yes, we have it. So let's style this. First of all, earn container. Let's go with dot earn first. So earn and dot earn container. So this will have width of 100%. Yeah, and padding from top and bottom. So let's go with 8 rem and 0 rem. So you can have some space just like this. And dot earn container width will be 100%, and text align center. Now it's methods. So dot methods will have margin top of 5 rem. Let's see. Yep, it's having it, and width will be 100%, display of grid, and grid template columns will be repeat, auto fit, min max will be 26 rem and 1 fractional unit, and the last thing is grid gap will be 3 rem. Save, and yes, we have it, but it's look a bit weird. Okay, it's look okay, but we just need some more text, and this title needs some margin bottom. Let's go with 2 rem, and we will write some text in here. So again, low rem of 50. Save, and yep, it looks good. So this is our write notebook or write a blog post page, and yep, that's it for this one, and see you in the next one. Hello and welcome back to the third video of our series. So this is the third page of our website, and as you guys can see, this is about page. So what is notebook all about is a place where you can find your perfect blogs, and we are featured on some other platforms. So it's just about text and some featured logos. So I have exported these logos. I will upload this on GitHub later on at the end of this video. And we have some author profiles, so we will be doing that, meet our authors, and write on a notebook. So if you want to write on notebook, write on notebook, and this link, this button will take you to our previous page, which is this one. So we will be doing this in this video, and yeah, let's go with that. So let me see what we have done so far. If I click on this right button, see, we are in a write blog post. So what we're gonna do is we will write blog post. I will click Control Shift and S, which means that save this file as a new file, and I will give it a name of about.html. So this is about page, and I will update the link. So /about.html. I will update the link in here in the home page as well. So /about.html, and in this page as well. So we'll write blog post. All right. Excuse me. So I have updated the links. Now what I need to do is we need that nav tag, we need this this tag, and let's see what else we okay. Now let me just go ahead and see what we have. So if I click on here, about page, this is going to about us page, and yep, we have this title up here. So we already have it. Header title, I'm gonna copy this. We have already written CSS for this, so if you haven't checked, please go back and check that. So write title, and I'm gonna, notebook is a place where you can find, so where you can find perfect blog posts. Save, and let's have a look what we have. We have this here. So container about underscore container. I'm gonna copy this class and write a little bit of CSS for that. So first of all, I'll add a comment of about us, and right here about us container, width will be 100%, and text align center. So yeah, our text is now in the center, and we just need to write a blog about us. This is, since this is about, so I will so let's see if we have a button. No, we don't. So what I'll do is I'll write dot about underscore content, and inside there we need an h3 with the class name of about underscore title, and title will be we already have that title, perfect blogs, and okay, about remove this, p dot about underscore p, and a lorem of 30, let's go with 35. Okay, for this about p, I'll do a width of let's go with 80%, and margin should be 0 auto. Yep, we have it. And give it some margin top of, let's go with 2rem, which is 20 pixels, so we can have some space just like this. And margin bottom as well, so margin bottom 2rem, or maybe we don't need that. So what I'll do is I will just copy and paste this again and remove some of the text, like up till here. Save, and let's see. Yep, we have that. And now I need to, okay, let me have this this for now, because we might need that later on. Now right after this header we need a section with the class name of section, and inside there we need a container dot sponsor underscore container, and dot sponsors, and inside there we need an image with the class name of sponsor underscore logo, and we need 5 of them. So the first one is images logo 1, third one is images logo 2, logo 3, and 4, and this one should be the 5th one. Save. And let's go ahead and see what we have. So we have those logos, but we need those logos. Okay, we did we had a mistake. So these logos are actually inside that header. So right here, maybe, if we can see. Yep, it's right there. So sponsor container, I will copy this. Give some margin top of 3rem. Now these sponsors, so width will be 100%, display of grid, and I think I'm gonna copy this grid CSS. So copy, paste, and do a little bit of changes, like here it will be 14 rem. Let's try this. Save and refresh. Yeah, here you guys can see our logos. Now let's give it a margin top of instead of 3, let's go with 5. Now we are good to go. And after this, what we have is we have meet our authors. So now if I scroll down, here you guys can see meet and our authors, just like this, meet our authors. I'll remove these two paragraphs. So earning method, and we need authors, and inside there we need author singular, and we need 6 of them. Okay, and inside each we have image. Let me, if we can go with all of them. So inside each we have an image with the class name of author underscore image. Image come from user, and okay, at the end we need dot author underscore body, and inside each we need an h3 with the class name of author underscore name, and name go for now it will be Julia Biden or something. And what else we have? We have how many posts, so dot author underscore posts, so like 20 posts. And right after we need a link, so link will be like an anchor tag with the class name of author underscore link, which will take us to the author profile. So for now link will be empty, and it will say see details, and this will be and RARR, which means right arrow. So if I can save and have a look, yes, you guys can see. But why do we have author image like this? Author instead of image, let's go for profile, because we already have written CSS, which is a rounded image. Okay, author profile. Now it changes. So first of all, go to authors. Okay, grab the styling, and we need only 2 cards in a row, so it will be 30 rem. Let's try this. And author, each author we don't need that, so author profile, width will be, let's try 100% for now. Okay, so we have got 3 by row. Image should be 50%. Still we have 3. So what I'll do is I'll increase it by 35 so we can have only 2 cards. Okay, so let's go for 40 rem, and yep, it has solved the issue, but I'll decrease it to 30% so the images are a bit low, like this. We're gonna do that. So to this author name, font size to 2 rem, let's go with 2.2 rem. Yep, okay. To this author posts, we need a margin of 1.5 rem and 0 rem. So like this. From the top and bottom, where do we have it from? Okay, this is a div. It's fine. But it looks good though. Okay, we are gonna go with this design. Okay, and right after this we have this write on notebook section. So right after this section we will have another section with the class name of section, and inside there we need a write now dot container dot write underscore container, and we need h3 with the class name of write underscore title, or okay, yeah, we have a simple contain title, so write on notebook. What's the title? Want to write on. Want to write on notebook, and right after this we have a paragraph with the class name of write underscore p, which is a simple dummy text. And now we need this button. So this is what I had saved it for. So I'm gonna cut this and delete the rest. This one. Where do we have this? Okay, we have something inside there. So right after this write P, we need that button. And let's see what we have. Yeah, we have it here. So dot write container. First of all, I'll give this section another class of write. So dot write margin top 5 rem, width 100%, background color of war primary 2. Let's see. Okay, so not this one, but write container will have it. So this background color will be down here. Save, and here you go. It will have some padding, 5 rem, from the top and bottom, and 3 rem from the left and right. It's not enough, we need it more, so 8 rem and 5 rem. Yeah, that's enough. And the text align should be center, and just title, it will be font size of 2.4 rem, so slightly bigger. Yep. Right P, this will have margin of 1.5 rem and 0 rem, just like this. And instead of go to your mail, write on notebook, and this button will take us to write on blog post, just like this. And if I click on this button, it will take me to this page. If I go to about, yes, we have about page completed. So that's it for this video, and let me push it on the GitHub. So I'll come over here, all the changes, and about page, commit, sync the changes, and now you can get the images and the new code from the GitHub repository. That's all for this video, and see you in the next video in the next page. Okay, so we'll come back to another video and another page. So this page is going to be really easy because we have already covered some of the parts, like this one. These cards we already have on our home page, you guys can see. And for this user single profile, we will be using this layout or maybe this layout. So this is going to be super easy. But first of all, you guys can see we have about.html. So first of all, we're gonna link that page. I will come over here, and once somebody click on this see other link, it will take us to /single_author.html. We don't have this page for now, but I'm gonna copy this, Ctrl+Shift+S, save this page as a new page, paste, and yep, so we have that. Now what we need is, of course, we need that header. We don't need this section, so I'm gonna delete this. We don't need this section, so I'm gonna remove this section, and we have our header, but I'm gonna remove some of the inner content from our header. So here is our header, about container. I'm gonna remove this one as well. So this is going to be author_single and .author_container, and in here we need that single profile. So we'll go to index, and let me see if we can copy or we can use, actually, so that might be on the sidebar, popular featured card. I think we will be using this one. Let me see. So yep, but I will rather go and create one. So we'll need an image with the class name of author underscore single underscore image, and the image is this one, dot author underscore single underscore body. And what we need in there is author name, some description, and social media links. So h2 author name, so hi, something like Sophia, and right after this paragraph with the class name of author underscore single underscore p, lorem of 35. Let's go with this. Right after this we need bold and paragraph. What's this? The best ideas can change who you are. And we need another single paragraph but with list text. So let's go up here, save, and let's go what we have. So I'll go to about, and if I click on see posts, so which one we had changed? About, and we had changed one of them. So let's go to the first one, save, and if I can refresh, yeah, it is updated. Now you guys can see, but we have forgot container. So I'll wrap or I will add container class here. Like this. And after here we need social links, and I think we have social links somewhere. So let me go back to home, and yep, we have it here. So I'm gonna grab it from index. Where do we have it? So these are social links. I'm gonna copy this div tag and paste it right below here. Save. And now let's have a look. So about, see posts, And yep, here you guys can see. Now what I need is I need to write a little bit of CSS. So go at the end, add a comment of single author, author container, and I'm just gonna copy and paste this. And let's see what we got. I'm gonna close this. So this is what we got. This author image will be max width of 100%. Yep. So this is awesome. Now what we need is a single P. We need some margin bottom of 1.5 frame. Let's go with 1.8, and this break I will add a class name of author single B. This will have margin bottom of 0.7 rem. Looks good. Match to this author name. Font size of 2.4 rem. Margin bottom of 2 rem. Yeah, okay. So this should be 1.2. Let's try this. This is now working somehow, but it looks okay to me. So what else we need is we just need to copy a section which is somewhere here. So let me see. This recently posted. So this section. Oh, I'm not sure. I think we have main cards. Copy this And now right here we need section with the class name of section and dot posts dot container dot posts underscore container. Paste this in there. Copy this and copy this CSS and change this value to 26. And here we have that, but we need that title as well. So right here, not here. I'll copy this and wrap this inside here. We have that. Section, so dot section will have margin top of a trim. In this section title will have margin bottom of 4, just like this. And one last thing, author posted. Yep, so we are done with this page and we have almost done 5 pages of this website, and yep, more pages are coming. So thank you so much for this one and see you in the next one.